We are officially into summer, but
yes.
No one cares about that, do they? But we do care about the future.
You didn't feel like summer yesterday during the Ironman, did you?
No, I thought it was fall or something. It felt like it was October.
55 was the high yesterday, a record low high temperature for Spokane.
Yes, it was.
Yes, but there's warm weather in the extended forecast. The Centers for Climate Prediction releases its long-range forecast on the third Thursday of every month. We're a few days behind because of severe weather last week. This is for July, August, and September. The precipitation outlook calling for below average precipitation for the Pacific Northwest. Now, we are so dry during these months. This is the driest time of the year, so a few drops either way is not going to affect things significantly, although I'm sure firefighters and farmers are looking at this a bit nervously. What is also a very strong signal is our temperatures, above average temperatures for the western United States, including the inland Northwest, a little bit further to the south, even a stronger signal of above average temperatures. So a warmer and drier than average summer, July, August, and September. What is interesting in the long-range forecast, and I will have this posted on my blog in about 10 minutes, is the growing confidence about a developing El Nino, the warming of the sea surface temperatures in the equatorial Pacific, which has a very big impact on our winter weather. And you can read more about that on my blog, as I mentioned, in about 10 minutes. That should be up there on KXLY.com.